Hello, everyone. Welcome to my talk at TestFlix. I'm Ajay Balamurugdas, and the talk title is Become the CEO of Your Testing. So let's see what's in store. So, what are the usual problems with testing? You ask 100 testers, and they might come up with these common problems. One, testers are not aware or not sure if they are adding value. They keep doing stuff, but then they don't have anyone to highlight or answer the question, is my task adding value? And whenever there is a project timeline, most of the times it happens that other tasks take up all the available time, and testers are given almost no time to do the same task. So we always have no time for testing. At the same time, when there is a production issue, the team that gets asked this question, why did you miss this bug, as if they planted this bug, is the testing team. As in, why did you miss this bug? Why did QA not catch this bug? Hey, we tried our best. Testers also get bored. They keep doing the same stuff. They keep executing the same test cases, build after build, release after release. And no wonder they are bored. Some testers also ask this question: is there a future for testing? What about my career? Is there a future? Should I do project management? Should I get into Scrum? Should I know if I don't know automation, can I still be in testing? All those questions come up. And finally, no one is ready to listen to us. The usual problem. If there is a production issue, we'll be the first one to be questioned. Otherwise, no one is there to listen to us, right? Aren't these the usual problems with testing? And what are the usual solutions? Don't laugh. Add more people. As if managing the existing team was not enough, you added more people, thinking that will solve testing problems. You promoted very good hands-on testers, developers into managers. Now we have to deal with two things. One, the testing itself, and then how to deal with someone who is not a good manager. Automagic. You thought automation will solve everything and anything in this world, right? So you put all of us on the journey of automation, Automagic. And then some people think, okay, change in career is good. Let me become a BA, let me become a Scrum Master, and all the problems in testing would be solved. No. Maybe it's the company. Let me change the company. Let me change the company. Let me get promoted. Let me increase my salary, and then all problems with testing will disappear. No, it does not. New problems will come up. Now I know it's the tool that is causing all these problems. Let's change the tool. No, even changing the tool doesn't solve the problem. The sooner we understand that these are not the solutions to the usual problems with testing, it is better for us, it is better for the industry. Adding more people, promoting the people to the wrong designations, automation, thinking of it as automagic. No, it doesn't happen that way. Changing career, changing company, or even changing the tool doesn't solve, folks. So what solves? None of these will work unless you change. The solution to all of or most of these problems is in the title of this talk. Become the CEO of your testing. Now, how do we do that? 3 actionable items to become the CEO of your testing. Let me try to cover up within the remaining 10 minutes. Increase the scope of testing. I'll give you like 10 seconds if you want to quickly check out the different text, colored text, and then we'll focus on each of them. Go enjoy the colors. Okay, there is no problem with your sound. I was silent. So let's get back to this talk. So how do we increase the scope of testing? See, many of us, unfortunately, are still tied with test cases. The customers don't use the product, the users don't use the product with a set of test cases. They just use it, they interact. So wouldn't it be better if you also tested the same way? Interacting with the product, conducting experiments. But yeah, so many people have told, but still people continue to, rely so strongly on test cases. I'm sorry, move beyond test cases. Solve the problem more than following a process. Customers don't care if you follow Agile, Waterfall, V model, X model, Z model. All they care is, have you solved their problem or not? If you have not solved the project is a total failure. Please do remember that. Think more than functionality. We stop at capability. We stop at that functionality. Quality criteria, right? Criterion. Why? What stops us? Think reliability, think usability, scalability, security, performance, installability, compatibility. Think on all those lines. Hey, but I was allocated only this feature and this quality criterion. Yeah, speak up. Just because someone doesn't understand testing, you shouldn't be quiet if you understand testing, correct? Stop being a gatekeeper and highlight issues as well. Anything that slows down your testing is an issue. Highlight that too. Test your tests. So many times we test and later we realize that our tests were broken. Test your tests too. Understand users better. Irrespective of the users, irrespective of the project, irrespective of the customers, the context, if you keep testing the same way, you're not doing justice to the CTC that you're getting. Know more about your stakeholders and their expectations. Every stakeholder has a different expectation. Do you even talk to other stakeholders, your internal stakeholders? Forget the external. Do you even talk to the internal stakeholders? Move beyond bugs and metrics. We receive so many status updates. I filed 8 bugs and I executed 43 test cases. So what? Learn the art of better storytelling. Learn the art of good test reporting. What will I do with 8 bugs and 43 test cases? Are there 800 bugs or were there just 9 bugs? I don't know. Correct? So move beyond bugs and metrics. Sharpen your skills. Ask better questions early. If at all you want to improve something, get better at questioning. Be courageous enough to present the truth. Stop ignoring those hard to replicate bugs. Just because your colleague filed 25 bugs and you filed 2 bugs, it doesn't mean they are good or you're bad. It depends on the kind of bugs as well. If you spent 8 hours trying to replicate a hard to replicate bug, but then it's an important bug, good job. Spend time, get better, report those hard to replicate bugs. Stop chasing the tools and focus on the real problems instead. Just because you have a tool, it doesn't mean you have to do everything as per the tool. See if the tool is the actual solution to that problem or not. Be prepared. We are living in a beautiful time where everything is available almost for free, but we are not being prepared. Grow beyond your feature and start talking and thinking about project, product, quality criteria, testing techniques, risk, business value, industry impact, customer expectations, stakeholder collaboration, and more. This is how, my dear friends, you have a good chance of increasing the scope of testing. Oh, I have never heard of this. Good. No one stops you from doing any of these. It is you who stops yourself. Don't do that. Add value irrespective of your designation. How? Save time, money, effort. If you see something that takes a lot of time but does not add enough value to the cost, highlight it, change it, better it, understand the big picture. Have multiple mentors, from different streams as well. Highlight risks and close threads. One of the biggest things that slows organizations is people don't close threads. They keep it open. Yeah, I sent a follow-up email. I did not receive a reply. And then I dropped that thread. No. Close threads. Follow up relentlessly. Do the right thing even if it is unpopular. Demonstrate and then promotion follows. Play the bigger game. The world is your audience. If you think your office team members are your audience, you will definitely play small. Play to the world. The world is your audience. Stop playing office politics. Learn what you don't know. Replace yourself soon with documents, videos, cheat sheets. Hey, if I replace myself, then won't I lose my position? Won't I lose the value in my team members' eyes? No, how will you get promoted if you can't be replaced? Think about it. Say yes to opportunities. Learn and do it. Be okay to fail big. It's okay. You will learn. And no one has succeeded all the time. It's fine. Learn continuously and share. Solve problems. Network. Be human. Show empathy. Grow people. People should love to work with you. Appreciate often. Be the best team member to work with. Hire well. Don't shy away from hiring people better than you. Be the brand ambassador of your company. Start with liking, sharing your company posts. If you see that the posts are not like-worthy, share it with your marketing team. Say why it is not. Recognize opportunities. Celebrate often. So these are some tips to add value, irrespective of who you are. So what next? Some things to do before project. Prepare well, network well, showcase your strengths to the prospects, understand the markets, users, trends, replace yourself, complement people's skills with processes, and keep up the morale of the team that the next project is on its way. What to do during the project? Over-deliver. Make some good notes so that the next team member who joins the team can onboard well. Highlight risks and probable solutions. Track progress rigorously. Have backups. Quality over quantity any day. Stakeholder relationship. Maintain it well. Keep everyone informed. Communicate well. Learn from mistakes. After project, learn from mistakes. Thank stakeholders. Celebrate. Showcase success. Case studies. Ask for references. Replicate success. Keep up the morale and create systems. So be a good problem solver. Solve problems, close threads. Take your solutions to the next level, scale. Will this solution work when the problem scales? If not, think, ask for the what ifs and then prepare. Relationships, nurture, build and maintain, both internal and external. Big picture, think big picture. Stop playing small and focus your energy on the big picture. Hire well, and once you have hired them, do not interfere much. Skilled. Do not let anyone point fingers at your work. Be so good that they can't ignore you. So be a good problem solver, solve for scale, maintain relationships, think big, and then finally be super skilled. So congrats, CEO. Your new life begins today. In fact, now. Go add value in everything that you do. All the best, and thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.